based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
EcoSmart is sharing the warmth, providing you and your family with innovative, life-enhancing products for comfortable living every day. From endless hot water for your showers to washing the dishes, or even washing your dog, EcoSmart's energy-efficient, easy-to-install, space-saving tankless electric water heaters are perfect for your home, condo, office, or recreational vehicle, be it a camper van or boat. Our point-of-use tankless electric water heaters provide on-demand, endless hot water just about anywhere you want and need. EcoSmart believes in helping you enhance your home with smarter, more sustainable, and technologically advanced solutions. Our water heating products are dependable and constructed to last for decades. They're designed in the United States of America and come with a limited lifetime warranty. Our knowledgeable customer service team is here to help size the correct tankless heater for your needs and assist with technical questions. EcoSmart offers a sustainable way to heat water faster and more efficiently. Our tankless electric water heaters are compact with a sleek wall-mounted design, allowing you to free up valuable floor space for additional storage in your closet or garage. Our products heat water only when you need it. You'll save energy because our heaters activate when water is flowing through the system, so there's no standby or cycling heat loss, typical of tank heaters. Our environmentally friendly, on-demand technology can reduce your monthly water heating costs by up to 50%. Everyone likes saving money and protecting our Earth. Does your tank water heater need a boost? Smart Boost attaches directly to an electric or gas tank outlet to provide you and your family lots more hot water without having to install a larger tank. Or maybe you only need a small amount of hot water. Eco Mini is our miniature tank. It requires a single water line and can deliver hot water anywhere you need it, whether it's a remote sink or you need an additional hot water boost to a shower. It comes in 1.5, 2.5, 4 and 6 gallon models and can be plugged into a standard outlet. You can find EcoSmart online and through our many retail partners. Our EcoSmart brand provides you and your family the latest solutions in tankless electric water heating, so you can truly share the warmth.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.